Here I have what's called an English cucumber. You can buy Japanese cucumbers, Persian cucumbers, or English cucumbers. There's like a varieties of different cucumbers you can buy. Varieties by sizes, colors, textures. With the English cucumber, it's very commonly used for sushi. It tends to be a lot larger and has a nice crisp to it, nice bite to it, and you can also yield a lot more from it as well. And so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and open this up and then give it a nice wash, and then I'll show you how to slice it up for sushi. Cucumber, English cucumber, washed, peeled, not peeled, but the plastic wrap is off. Everything is off, it's clean. And so this next technique I'm about to show you, it's called katsuramuki. Very commonly used, a basic technique that's taught a lot of chefs right when they start getting into the sushi, field of sushi, I should say. So you want to do about 4-inch slices. Okay, we'll set this guy aside for now. And make sure your knife is nice and moist. Okay, let's set this there. So what we'll try to do is we'll try to thinly slice this cucumber out. Try to get like a thin sheet out of it. And once again, with you, if you're trying this at home, you want to make sure you use like a large flat knife and take your time doing this technique. Please do not hurt yourself. Okay. The goal is to saw back and forth with the blade. Okay, I'll go slow here so I can demonstrate it. And so as I'm cutting this, you can see my blade underneath the skin of the cucumber. I want to go faster, but for this demonstration, I have to go slow. Okay, so right when I get to the core, the pit, we can't use this side, the inside, because it retains a lot of water. Okay, you can eat it or you can toss it. I wouldn't recommend tossing it because it's a waste. So we'll just set this aside for now. So this is what we're looking for as a final product, right? And then nicely cut, evenly thinned out. It could be thinner as well, but that's okay since I'm only using this for the inside of the sushi roll. Okay, we'll cut this into threes and stack them together. We'll just slice them one motion, forward, forward, or you can do it backwards, but make sure it's one motion, one cut all the way through. Nice and even slices. Okay. Such. Okay. Almost like a large julienne, which is supposed to be 2 to 2.5 inches by 8 by 8 inch as well. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and rinse, give it a nice rinse. And it'll wash off all the cucumber juice off of it. And so as it dries, it'll become more crispy. Set this aside here. I'll spread this out just gently. As you can see, they're nice and even, really cut. Roll that in the paper and just kind of shake it around a couple of times. Make sure all the water dries off. And we'll set onions here. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and set this. Right in here. And that is our inside filling, cucumber filling used for our sushi rolls.